Safely navigating curves in Texas. Curves typically have a crash rate up to 4.5 times higher than straight road sections. Most of these crashes are single vehicle crashes with the truck departing the roadway. A high percentage of large truck crashes at curves involve a rollover. This can be attributed to truck mass, inertia, braking capabilities, and center of gravity. Half of rollovers result in fatal crashes, a quarter of which involve trucks catching fire. In most truck-involved crashes where a truck is a critical factor, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration found that the crashes occurred due to 3 reasons: the truck leaving its lane, loss of control of the truck, or another motor vehicle encroaching into the truck's lane. These factors are most common on rural 2-lane highways due to lack of space for corrective action. Excessive speed is the most common crash causative factor, with almost a quarter occurring because the truck is driving too fast. As a driver, the best thing you can do is be prepared and slow down. Watch out for sharp curves. The difficulty of navigating sharp curves increases with the angle of the curve. This can be particularly challenging for heavy truck drivers who must slow down significantly to navigate sharp turns safely. Heavy trucks also have a longer stopping distance than other vehicles, which can increase the risk of crashes on sharp curves. Additionally, sharp curves can increase the risk of heavy truck rollover, jackknifing, or other loss of control accidents. Crashes can occur due to several potential causes such as driver error or environmental factors such as weather. Low traffic volume curves have higher crash rates. Additionally, lanes that are narrow or lack rumble strips are associated with higher crash rates. Due to the size of large trucks, wider lanes reduce curve-cutting situations and thus improve safety. Narrower roadways often lack rumble strips too, which alert drivers when they depart their lane. Truck crashes are also overrepresented on curves with no shoulders and roadsides with obstacles or non-traversable terrain within 30 feet. Not having clear roadsides creates sight distance issues and decrease the chance of recovery for vehicles that depart the roadway. Similarly, narrower shoulders increase the chance of drivers nearing the edge of the roadway and thus increase the likelihood of roadway departure crashes. Curves with posted speed limits of 60 miles per hour or less, or that have an intersection or driveway, are also associated with higher crash rates. These strategies can keep you and others safe. Look for posted signs. They alert you to the shape of upcoming curves and give you a speed that is generally appropriate based on the roadway design and physical conditions. Based on your load and current conditions, you may need to drive well below the posted speed. Slow down prior to entering the curve. Your speed should be slow enough that you do not have to use your brakes in the curve, as braking can cause your wheels to lock up and make you skid off the road. As you approach a curve, move to the side of your lane opposite of the direction of the curve. For example, if the road curves to the left, move to the right side of your lane. As you continue through the curve, position your vehicle towards the other side of your lane. Finally, exit the curve towards the side of the road that you began on. When you're out of your vehicle, use our map to identify high-risk curves in areas frequently traveled. Determine if there is a safer alternate route or make a safety plan for how to navigate those high-risk curves.